Hey, the price, income, and expense per unit of measurement and your operating expense ratio. So, whatever your expenses are and whatever is going out, what are the income that you're making are all broken down based on your net leasable area and your total area and also your net rentable area. So, if you wanted to compare apple for apple and oranges for oranges to look at what you're making per square meter or per square feet, you can with these metrics. So the price, income, and expenses all broken down based on your total area, on your your acquisition cost, on total area, operating income, operating expenses, all these things. And then whatever your expenses are over here, also then broken down and giving you a percentage that you can then compare with other investment opportunities. So this is a pretty simple, basic thing to do. Again, the first thing that we discussed here was that not one metric is going to tell you the complete picture about your investment. You have to look at all these different metrics, put them together, and compare different opportunities together in order to make an informed decision and to see where your money is going to get the best return. And that is why the smart real estate investment analysis is there. Now, you can also use this analysis. Say, for example, you are a developer and you've already done a feasibility on an investment property that you are going to hold after your development is complete. So you do a development and you know that that's the money that you're going to make. But you can roll that money over into your investment property and then rent it out. So the next leg of your analysis has to be done in smart real estate investment analysis in order to get a better picture. So let's dive into real estate investment analysis and look at all these different factors that are there for you to make use of.